Denzel Washington, he said that without commitment, you will never start. Without consistency, you will never finish. You gotta be committed on something, bro. I and you gotta be committed on something. We can be able to start something. Consistency is gonna be what is gonna make us successful. Slow by slow, step by step. That's small things. You go the things into details, day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, thought by thought, action by action. I think it looks like a rap, you know. That is the things which is gonna make you finish. That's the things which is gonna make you successful. You gotta wake up and fight. This fight is not alone, bro. Let's go and fight. Let's go and do what matters for us. What's important for our life to make this world even better. Everything's gonna start by you and by me, not looking at pointing at each other's fingers. It's not gonna work that.